It was one of the strongest tornadoes to ever touch down in southeastern North Carolina. But residents of Ocean Ridge Plantation received virtually no warning that a tornado was imminent.
It cannot be said with certainty from my standpoint that the partial radar blockage had anything to do with that particular warning process. But for me, to have the storm of issue come right up through that wedge of the, you get a 360 pie, the small piece of the pie that has at least a partial radar blockage, was the critical part for the trajectory of that storm.
In 1994, when the Doppler radar was installed, the pine trees on surrounding properties were much shorter. But since then, they've grown, creating a blind spot for the radar and meteorologists trying to warn the rest of us before severe weather strikes.
And you can see that there's a big piece of the pie, including portions of Ocean Isle Beach, Sunset Beach, and the Grand Strand, where the data is clearly blocked.
We're told raising the Doppler above the tree line won't work because it stops functioning properly if it's too far off the ground. Leveling the surrounding pine trees is apparently cost prohibitive. A timber company owns much of the land in the direction where the radar is blocked, and the value of the trees and the land is likely in the millions. The National Weather Service decided in 2016 it would be best to just move the radar, but 5 years later, that's yet to happen. At last check, the feds still don't have a new location or a timetable for the move.
The trees have grown further. They're not shrinking, they're continuing to grow. And so any chance we get to highlight the problem and bring it to awareness and hopefully put pressure to find a solution is better.